Welcome back to Microblading. I've received all your assignments and I can see you're all putting in a lot of effort. Today, we'll be learning two more strokes, the S-line stroke and the reverse C-curve stroke. So, we'll also be using two types of pens, the single needle pen and the multi-needle pen. When we use the machine and the needle, we'll use them in this way. Now, let's take a look at the first stroke, which is the S stroke. This one is a bit tricky, so you'll need to put in some effort. For the first direction, when you pull towards yourself, gently glide at first, then create the curve, and in the middle of this curve, the stroke should be bold. After that, apply a slight pressure and flick the pen upwards a bit, which will create a curved and soft line at both ends. Now, please observe the first direction, which is pulling towards yourself, and the second direction, which is flicking outwards. Now, please watch closely. Okay, now for the S stroke, we'll curve it gently and tilt the paper slightly towards yourself like this. Now, pay attention to this S stroke for me. It consists of 4 points. You can observe these 4 points. The starting point is a thin stroke, gently curving, then we glide it like the letter S, but it doesn't loop or twist as much as the regular S, it just curves gently, alright? The nib points towards yourself like this, then place the pen down and make a stroke. Apply a bit of pressure in the middle, then flick the tail outwards. Now, watch as I do it over here. There, can you see it? It looks just like an S. It's like a single hair. So, just practice inside the paper first, then practice outside, alright? See this, can you? When I draw outside, it looks smoother, the line is softer. Here are 3 dots. You can also practice drawing this S stroke in reverse. I'll gently glide the thin stroke inwards, then press lightly and flick this S stroke outwards. Alright, have a look at this. There you go, just a gentle S curve like that is fine. That's the HT stroke. Now, you should practice a few more strokes. I'll do a few more strokes for you to see. There you go, just keep practicing like that. It creates a fine and soft S curve. We can also practice using these dots, alright? Now, in the same way, I'll show you the S stroke on synthetic skin. Take note, the S curve isn't too pronounced. It's almost like a Y stroke, but both ends are fine and curve in opposite directions. Alright, this is our task to master the S stroke. See, it's very thin and really looks like a real hair. To go in the opposite direction, we'll go from the bottom upwards. There, can you see that? To create the reverse stroke, we move very smoothly, going gently from the bottom upwards. There, this is the reverse flick stroke, alright? It's very easy, just like in the previous lessons. After we've practiced with the single needle, now I'd like you to use the multi-needle pen, and we'll also practice both directions, pulling towards yourself and then flicking outwards, alright? Now, please watch closely. With the multi-needle, it's the same, hold the machine upright and gently glide to create the S-shaped stroke. Give it a slight twist. There, have a look at this. Alright. I'll draw it down here for you to see. See, when it forms this S shape, that's perfect. Now for the reverse flick stroke. For the reverse flick, start from the inside and move down, then curve it upwards as you go out. Alright. Here, watch this start here. Give the pen a slight twist, then up here, twist the pen again. When it creates this kind of sharpness, that's spot on. Now we'll use the multi-needle to do the stroke that sweeps towards yourself first. Hold the needle upright and give it a gentle curve like this. Curve it down and then start adding. Can you see that? Using the multi-needle, using the machine more like this, the strokes are sharper, right? Alright, now I'll do the next stroke. Now let's move on to the reverse flick stroke. There, the curve and the angle are up to you. Now for the reverse flick, you'll go from the bottom upwards, glide lightly, glide in gently and then create the straight part, and then flick it in here. Can you see that? The stroke is very sharp, very beautiful. So, that's how you achieve effective S-strokes. Once you've finished that, let's move on to the second stroke, which is the reverse C stroke. For this stroke, we also gently rotate the paper so we can execute it properly. Now, we'll have two directions, going inward towards yourself and flicking outwards, using both the single brush and the multi-brush. Now, please watch closely. The reverse C curve is actually very easy, we just need to turn it towards ourselves. And I'll use the single brush first so we can practice together. Come on, let's practice together. This stroke is just like all the other C strokes above. It repeats the same stroke, so it's not difficult at all. Just keep practicing, and as for this stroke, the flicking outwards is also very easy to do. There you go. Single brush, first direction. There you go. If you want, you can make it a little bit longer. Or you can tilt it a bit more. Alright, is that clear? The second direction is the flicking outwards. Or you can make it curve a bit more. When working with multiple needles, we'll also tilt the paper like that and pull towards ourselves first. Like this. Okay. Pull towards yourself. Then we flick outwards. Now, on the practice skin. Pull towards yourself. Flick outwards. Just now, I have shown all of you how to do these two strokes, and I hope you practice well so that your lines will be really smooth and beautiful. Goodbye and see you again.